So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a secret message using steganography online without using any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for style sux.github.io.stenography. You can see the right URL. Be very careful with the URL. If you write anything wrong, you won't be able to reach to the site. Now just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. And you can do the same step from a smartphones as well. Once the site gets open, all you need to do is to just simply start write your message here. For example, I write this is a sample, and here you can see if I hit encode, it will give me a binary encoded code which is steganography, and I can directly copy and paste it and use it anywhere I want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.